Hey folks, welcome to S.T.E.M. So this experiment we're going to try and make hovercrafts. So you need an old CD or DVD, a top off a bottle. If you can see that, it's like a sports top, one of the ones that you can push down and like pop back up. Some blue tack and a balloon. So what we're going to do is take the blue tack and attach it to the bottom of the bottle top, and then you're just going to stick that over the middle of the CD. So you want like the hole in the CD to be where the bottle top is. And then if you pull the top up to open it, and then blow up your balloon. Now you might need someone to help you put the balloon over the bottle top because it can be a wee bit tricky. Oh, I think I've maybe managed. Okay. Yep, and then if you make sure the top is still open, like that, and then you're just going to let go. Oh, and away it goes. You can float about. You could have races or whatever you wanted with them. So let us know how you get on and post your pictures and videos in the comments.
Thank you.
Thank you.